Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I arch and fill in my eyebrows. So as I'm sitting here looking for all this good stuff, so step one is to brush your eyebrows and shape them into the shape that you would like to arch them in. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia dip brow in the color brown, and I'm going to use that to outline my eyebrow, giving myself the arch that I desire. When I do my eyebrows myself, I use a pair of tweezers, the good kind, and I start in my arch, just plucking individual hair one at a time. It hurts, but eventually you get used to it, and you don't have to worry about people messing up your eyebrows at the nail salon. So I just pluck and continue to plug, and I do that on both sides, of course. Then I clean up the outsides, as you will see further along in the video. Here I'm just taking a razor and cleaning up the outside, getting all the fuzzies from around my eyebrows, just before I go back in with a flat pair of tweezers and clean it up even more. I also like to use a makeup wipe to wipe my eyebrows so that they sit in place and I know what I'm doing. Now that I have the desired shape and arch of my eyebrows, I begin filling them in. I redraw the bottom line on my eyebrows for my arch, of course making it darker in the back and lighter in the front. Then I begin to fill in the middle and create my tail of my eyebrow. And from there I just fill it right on in, kind of making diagonal strokes. When I get to the front of my eyebrows, I stop making diagonal strokes and I start flicking up on my eyebrow to give it kind of like a graded effect and it won't be so chunky. So the brush is flat and I'm literally just flicking it up. I'm showing you here. So here I am done with both eyebrows. I'm just brushing them all the way through, making sure I didn't have any gaps or missed places. Moving on to concealing the eyebrows, I like to use the flattest brush that I can find, or yeah, just flat. So I can go ahead and define my eyebrows. Now I do small strokes in the front, or I use a really steady hand to get that front line super straight. That is like the most important part to me. And then I just slowly curve around the arches. Once I've outlined it to the way that I like, I start pulling product down and blending it into my eye. I do not outline the top of my eyebrow because I feel like it gives it a more natural effect. So I only do the bottom. Boom! So now both eyebrows are done and they look amazing. Always remember that eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, cousins, whatever you want to call them. But thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye.